is the sound of the summer. Every lousy Monday morning, info jets go crashing over our hearts. 10 o'clock and the Broadmoor siren driving me mad, won't leave me alone. And the old woman next door, she just sits inside and cries. She hasn't come out once ever since her husband died. And this is the sound, this is the sound of the summer. This is the sound of the summer. The youth are smoking, they wanna be free. Now they want Halloween. They play 2 balls while you play a tune. The blacklist suit in a sinister room. They've done the quite good. Place is too loud and high. I can't hear other words. And this is the sound. This is the sound of the summer. This is the sound of the summer. This is the sound. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I've played this song all over the world. And you know what? We've made a name for ourselves about it. And it's a great honour to bring it to Camberley and sing about the old Broadmoor siren and the alienation that proved so profitable. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is the sound. Come on! This is the sound. She's shouting at the young girls walking around. And surely he's upstairs getting pictures looking at the night. And what you listening to? There's nothing there. That's the sound, right? This is the sound of the summer. This is the sound of the summer. This is the sound of the summer. Oh, thank you so much. It's just great for you to. It's really lovely to see everybody here tonight. Even the people, there's a couple of people I don't know at the back there. It's great to see them as well.